It's the 25th of January. It's 26 degrees out here. It's a wonderful day. You can see we've had a little snow set in this morning. Well, our front facade is coming together. We've got the front wall just about taken down. That's what the outside's going to look like. We're going to get it painted. All of those beams that you see in there are fantastic. These things are really, they're really solid as all get out. Roofers have roofed the main building. We're dried in, and our demolition has started. And our masonry windows are rolling on too, and we're reconstructing this south elevation. That was a door, and that's going to be a window. We've got another window. We're going to have a short window here. All of our sills are going to be at the same elevation. How you doing, Wiggs? Doing a construction video. We got Stemler in here. We got all kinds of stuff going on. Our sanitary mains are in. Our construction up there is continuing. Our sills turned out really cool. We're going to use these and add to them in the paint scheme. Here's our ephes with our new shingles up there. And we still haven't stripped in the top edge. That'll happen the next week or so once we get up more to a better temperature. Our sills are all in place, you can see. They turned out great. Look just like the structure. A little old, a little worn, a little used, but still good. Here's our sanitary line coming in. This is going to be the pass-through. It's finished up. We'll be tuck pointing it. You can see Stemler is inside here, and they are backfilling all of their sanitary main for the bathroom group. Hopefully you'll see me and not hit me. This is our bathroom group. For the common room, we're backfilling, as we see here, large gravel. We're going to walk around here. You can see all this stuff is coming off. Windows are open. Now, our new joists are going to be ordered next week, and they're going to sit on these three main beams that are the main structure to this component in here. We're going to do some masonry work up there, and hopefully all goes well. We're just going to come in here and sit these beams down. I am in the process of working with John Jeffries of Jess Construction, and that will be who is going to be doing the more than likely going to be doing the trusses in the new roof. You see, we're laying out the brand new switch gear for the 1200 amp main service that comes in for ambulatory service center. There's a lot of smoke because everybody's thinking extremely hard right here. Fire suppression, coordination. Let's walk in here. I'll be right back, gentlemen. We'll discuss that. Fire suppression, pumping up the system. Dalmatian Fire's doing our work here. Got a brand new valve going in that will actually separate the two systems and put it back up to pressure. That way the existing tenants that are over there occupying the space are safe, and this work in here can handle, we're not bringing that system up and down the entire time. Here's our insulation. It's still cruising on. Pretty amazing stuff. I love this old stuff. And here's how you get his attention. That way, when I'm walking, he doesn't swing that around. Now, this is this room. And as you can see, we're getting ready to crawl up in here. I'll show you all what has been happening with the masonry and the work up on this floor. What we've got, this right here, you can see that we're going to make, whoops, we're going to make a small little roof. It's going to travel down the entire length of this and kick all this water away from just sitting flat. Reason being is when it sits flat, you have that stuff right there going on. The existing wall right here is actually physically sitting down inside of brick pockets. So what we're going to do next is clean all this rotten stuff out, and we're still solid in a lot of areas down in here, but we're going to take out the loose stuff. We've got 4x4 sitting back down onto the main section of the wall, and then we're going to brick all the way around it, just like the existing ones were. Tie that back together. We've got brand new windows that are going in here. You can see we're able to use the old existing 4x4s that came off of another part of the building to make the sills all look the same. This section of windows, I think I'm going to just leave one in the middle open, cover up the other two, and all this will get cleaned up. We're talking with Cornerstone Group now on exactly what we can pull off for this huge tank and that pump. Some pretty interesting things to come. Let's climb down here. Damn, that did not feel good. Come back in here. Here's what we got going on here. We have finally figured out what we're going to do here. We've got this thing jacked 3 ways to Sunday. We've got the mechanical information in place, so we'll be able to get a piece of steel and reattach everything back up in here like it should be. Our windows looking great here. And for this warm day in January, this is Chris Guffey with Bldg Construction. Thank you all very much for your time. We'll see y'all next week.